Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I'm sharing tips and corrections for making perfect pakoda, bajji and bonda with the premix I shared in my Ramadan pre-preparation videos. Now let's get started. I will share the Pakoda Premix once again. I have taken 4 cups of besan and 1 full cup of heaped rice flour. There is a little correction in this recipe also. I will tell later. I have taken 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of normal chili powder, hing 1 teaspoon, salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of soda, that is baking soda. Nicely give it a good mix. After baking on the first day, I realized that I need little more crispiness, so I added 1 more extra cup of rice flour. That's it. And also when I was sharing this recipe, I didn't had dried curry leaves. After that, I dried lot of curry leaves and added in this way. You have to nicely crush it and add. That will give extraordinary flavor to all your pakodas, bhajis and bondas. First, I will be sharing the recipe for pakora. I am making onion and coriander pakoda. That's it. In this adjustment, what you can make is you can use any vegetable of your choice. You can also finely chop aloo, that is potatoes, or even brinjal, or any vegetable of your choice as well, or even any greens too. You can see how easily the premix, just I am taking 2 to 3 scoop according to your requirement. You can just grab the scoop and mix it with water and you can make the pakoda. For making more crispier pakoda, you should keep the batter little bit dry, or if you want softer side, you can add extra water. I will keep it nice and crispy. I will give a nice tip as well for making a crispy pakoda. For you to have a nice crispy pakoda, you have to drop the pakoda mix this way I'm showing. The fingers should just split the pakoda, that is onions, and drop inside so that each and every onion will be separated and it will give nice crispy texture while you're frying. If you just drop in small portions, it will be like lumps only. That will not be much more tastier. Same batter, the way you drop it is going to matter a lot. Definitely try this way. You will end up making nice crispy pakoda. For every time you have nice crispy one, first time you try it, if it is not crispy, simply add extra rice flour. That is going to give the nice crispiness. If you want on the softer side, you have to reduce the rice flour and keep the besan more. That's it. This is the tip. Next, I am going to prepare for bhajji. For bhajji, the batter should be nice and thick. It's not thick means not very thick. It should be runny but thick. It should be like when you just take out of a spoon and see, it should be nice ribbon-like consistency. That is important. If you keep your batter loose, it will not stick to any of the bhaji. That is, today now I am making potato bhajis. The most famous one are the plantain ones. I didn't get the plantains in my local market this week, so I am just making with aloo, and next I will be making with onions. Here important tip is keep the batter little bit thick, otherwise it will not stick to any vegetable you are making. And also in this bhajis, when you drop first one, you will know what is the mistake. If they are flat and not puffing up, add the baking soda. And if it is not crispier, add rice flour. And if you want to have softer side, add more of besan. That's all. These 3 things. Salt, I know definitely everybody will check for it as well, and spice level too. When you're making these onion ones, take small onions so that it is very easy to handle and the rings won't separate. Next, we will prepare different kinds of bonda. For these kind of bonda, I need some filling. I am preparing a simple filling with nice good tempering, lot of onions with normal South Indian tempering with nice mashed potatoes and coriander, salt to taste. our aloo filling is very much ready. This filling should be nice and thick like we make for samosas. Along with aloo bonda, I will also be making egg bondas. Now you can see with this egg bonda what I am doing. I will be just giving little extra taste to the egg bonda as well by using the same aloo mix on one side of the egg. This will give extra taste in your egg bonda. Otherwise, you know, when you make egg bondas, they will be very bland inside, or you have to add any spicy powder to make it spicier, but this way it is much more tastier. These two bondas are very favorite bondas in our house. Definitely all of you can try it. And you can see the batter, how thick consistency it is, ribbon like it should fall, but it should be falling. Not thick means not too thick. You can either use spoon or fork to drop these egg or aloo bondas in the oil. It is much more safer. If you are a good expert, you can also drop it with your hands, but always it is safe to use spoon. Whenever you make these kinds of bonda, you keep little extra oil so that they will have nice room to float, so that they will not be flat. If you have less oil, they will be flat from one side and the egg will be showing up as well. Same way I also made with aloo bonda. You can see now how nice crisp outer and inside also nice and juicy it will be. Always one better tip is to keep the batter nice thick, otherwise the batter will just come out of all whatever fillings you keep. It will just come down first in the oil and give you a flat surface. It won't look nice as well. See how nice round these bondas are. The only tip is you have to keep the batter nice and thick. The exact proportion of besan and rice flour is the key for making any perfect pakoda, bonda or bhaji. I would definitely say in this recipe, like how I make the premix, for 4 cups of besan, 2 cups of rice flour is perfect. After making so many bhajis and bondas, this is what I came to know. Also, for giving nice crispiness and softness, you should have the perfect amount of baking soda also. For that premix, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Definitely try it. Now last and final, I will be making one simple bonda which is also very tasty. I will add it as a shorts next to this video. In that there is one tip for everybody for making nice crispy bonda from outside and extremely soft from inside. Only one extra ingredient to this premix will give you this result. Keep watching for that shorts. Very soon I will be posting that too. Hope you all found this video useful. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I will be back with another video. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.